pre-K friends, this is Mrs. Sharp here, and today I'm going to talk to you about symmetry, but at the same time, I'm going to play with Legos. So this week in pre-K, we're talking about butterflies. That's our theme. So I thought a fun way to combine some learning with our theme would be a symmetrical butterfly that you can build with Legos. Now, before we get started with the play, let's remember what the word symmetry means. We did talk about it in pre-K, and if you think back, when something is symmetrical, or if it has symmetry, it means that it's the same on this side as it is on this side. So if we drew a line down the middle of Mrs. Sharp's face, you could see that my face is pretty symmetrical. I have an eye on this side. I have another eye on this side. I have one nostril on this side, and I have one nostril on this side. I have an ear on this side, and I have an ear on this side. So you get the idea. Let's take a look at how symmetry is important to butterflies. Here's a picture of a real butterfly. As you can see, the wings are spread open, and let's imagine that that line of symmetry goes right down the middle where the body is. Look at the two wings. Do you see how the designs on the left are the same? They are symmetrical to the designs on the right. You might say it's a mirror image. The designs on one side are reflected exactly on the other side. That's what we're going to do today with Legos. Let's head over into the kitchen. I have a great big pile of colorful Legos, and we'll start with a butterfly placemat, and you can build away. So here we have my butterfly. Now, I'll show you what I did to make sure my butterfly was symmetrical in its body, so it was the same on both sides. I took my paper and I folded it in half, and then that line, that fold line, told me right where the middle of my butterfly should be. So I drew half of it on this side, just an outline, and half of it on this side. Mom or Dad could help you with this too. You could use a giant piece of paper as long as you have a lot of Legos. Put a little smiley face on it. And now let's get started building our butterfly. Now I have a pile of Legos here off to the side. And as we just learned with symmetry, whatever we do on one side of our butterfly, we need to do the same thing on the other side, so it's symmetrical. I'm just going to make this be flat. There we go. Okay. So maybe now I'm going to choose, let's see, I'll choose some blue. And on this side, and to be symmetrical, I'm going to put the same thing on the other side. Okay, let's see. One on this side. For symmetry, I put the same on this side. There, so as you can see, I filled in my butterfly. I could probably put a few more pieces in. And let's see, did I do it? Is it symmetrical? Does it have a line of symmetry? Well, it has this line going right down the center. That's our line of symmetry. So everything on this side has to match everything on this side. I think I got it.